Welcome back to Solidworks and NC's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the Solidworks sheet metal, jog and hem edge flange features. So we are going to make this sheet metal part, and as you can see that these are the hem bends. As I have explained you in the previous videos that we have learned about meter flange, edge flange, lofted bend, convert sheet metal, base flange tab. I will provide the link of all the tutorials in the description. You can watch the tutorials from there. So in this tutorial we will learn about hem feature and jog feature. So let's start. First of all, go to sketch, select the front plane and make the sketch with the following dimensions. Just follow the steps to make this sketch. Now go to exit sketch and open sheet metal tab. Simply go to base flange tab. So in base flange property manager, this is the extrusion, or you can say that this is the direction we can add the material from. So I am going to select this mid plane and I am going to enter the depth value of 13. So this is the sheet metal parameters. I have explained this in the first part of our video. So this is the thickness. You can increase or decrease the thickness from here, and this is the bending radius. So select OK from here. So our sheet metal part is ready. Now we have to add the curls or curl edges to this bended feature. So we will go to the hem feature. So what is hem? Hem are the curl edges of a sheet metal part. Select the hem feature and select the edges you want to make curls. So I have selected this edge and you can see that it has made it the curl feature in it. So I will select the second edge. If I want to change the direction of this edge, I will just simply select this flip arrow. So we have the different parameters for our hem edge flange. So this is the bend outside or bend inside. So in the bend inside, you can see that it is starting from the inside of the geometry, and if I will select the bend outside, it is going to be started from the edge. So these are the two material inside and material outside features. In types and size geometry tab, we have 4 types of hem. So we have closed hem. As you can see that it is totally closed. There is a one bend and 2 flanges, and we have the open hem, teardrop hem and rolled hem. So these are the types of hem you can use in your geometry like this. This is the length of the hem and this is the gap distance. As you can see, if I will increase it, the distance from this edge to this edge is increasing, and this is the length. If I will increase the length of the hem, it is increasing the total length from this semicircle to this edge. So this is a simple hem feature. So if I will select the material inside, so there are the custom relief types. There are 3 types of custom relief type. Let me explain you. First of all, I will tell you about the edit hem width. So what is edit hem width? If we will go to the edit hem width, we have the edge or sketch here. If you want to decrease the width, just simply make it normal and drag this point from here like this. Now if you want to give the dimension, select the smart dimension, select the 2 vertices between which you are going to give the dimension and give the value of the required dimension here. Select 3 again and select finish. Don't cancel this tab because it will not affect your geometry. So as you can see, our width is decreased and there is a custom relief type. From here I will change it to O-bound. I will show you. So if you want to change the another edge width, again select this edge 2 and go to edit hem width, again go to normal and drag this line from here so that you can give the dimension accordingly. Give the dimension of 3 again and select finish from here. So as you can see that our both edges or hem edges have been made. So what is custom relief type? Custom relief type is basically the distance from where your sheet metal or edge has been started. Select O-bound or rectangular from here and give some width accordingly. So if we will select O-bound, so you can see the distance or circular shape here, or you can say that it is a fillet. So select OK from here. So you can see that our model is ready with the hem feature. So now we will study about the jog feature. So we will go to the new part. For that, select front plane, go to sketch and made the geometry like this. Simply go to sheet metal, add some material to it, using base flange tab. Decrease the thickness value like this. Now what we will do is we are going to add jog feature to it. Jog is basically the adding two bends from a sketch line in a sheet metal part. So I will make some type of sketch and it will add two bend to the part outside of this sketch. So let me show you. Go to sketch from here, just simply made any line you want, like I am going to make some line or sketch here like this. Go to exit sketch, go to sheet metal, select jog from here. So now it is showing that just select fixed face. So our this face will be fixed, and now you can see that there are different dimension positions. This is the outside offset, this is inside offset and overall dimension. You can change this dimension from here according to your geometry. So there are also the types of jog positions from here. This is the bend center line. As you can see that the sketch is in the center of the bend. This is the material inside the sketch line. As you can see, this red line is the sketch line. If I will select this material outside, the material of the bend will be outside of this line, and at last the full bend is outside of the sketch line. So this is a simple jog feature. You can add to your part or to make two bends. You can also do this with the edge flange, but to save your time the jog feature is better. So this was a simple tutorial on hem and jog feature. In the next videos we are going to learn about the sketch bend and swept flange. So thank you for watching, keep supporting and keep sharing our channel.